Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva for creating affiliate thumbnails fast, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Canva and hit enter. Click on the official Canva website link. Once on the website, look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Canva, click Sign Up to create a free account. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. Type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar and press enter. Canva will display a variety of customizable thumbnail templates. Browse through the options and choose a template that fits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. In the editor, you can customize the text by clicking on it. Replace the placeholder text with your own title and description. To change the font, select the text box and use the font options in the toolbar. You can also adjust the colors to match your branding. To add images or graphics, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Browse or search for graphics and drag your selections onto the canvas. Resize and position the elements as needed for your design. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, click the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file type, usually PNG or JPG. Click the Download button to save your thumbnail to your device. Your Canva thumbnail is now ready for use in your affiliate videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.